One of our top picks in London, featuring a waterside location, the hotel in London overlooks Camden Lock. Just over a quarter mile from the Camden Town Underground Station, this modern hotel provides stylish, air-conditioned rooms. Camden Town's bars and pubs are within a 5-minute walk of the property, including the Jazz Cafe, a music venue, and Koko, a nightclub. Cross St Pancras is a 5-minute tube, subway ride from Camden Town Station. The Roundhouse Theatre is a 10-minute walk away, and Regent's Park and London Zoo are a kilometer from the Holiday Inn London Camden Lock. Seasonal monthly menus are prepared using fresh ingredients and served in the stylish Mezzanine Restaurant. Light meals and snacks can be enjoyed in the Mezzanine Lounge, which also serves Costa coffees. Guests can use the hotel's mini gym. A satellite TV and hairdryer are provided in each bright room. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.